Jesus didn't come to build religion. He came to restore relationship with God. Religion focuses on rules and performance. Relationship focuses on trust and obedience. Religious leaders loved appearances. Jesus looked at the heart. Rules without love harden people. Relationship produces real change. Jesus ate with sinners, not to approve sin, but to heal the broken hearts. Religion separates people. Relationship restores people. Jesus invited people to follow him, but not just believe facts about him. Relationship requires daily surrender. It's personal, not public performance. Jesus still invites us today. Religion or relationship, the choice remains. Follow at Chris Reveal for truth Jesus actually taught.